Today we're upgrading our old basic TV with our new micro PC. Now we can hook it up to our TV and have full media control, as well as be able to get some work done. It's so small that you can mount it on the back of your TV or monitor, or you can just tuck it out of the way and forget about it. And this micro PC comes shipped to your door, ready for you to convert your TV or monitor as well. Inside the box, you have your instructions, a mounting bracket, an HDMI cable, a power cable, hardware, and then your micro PC. On the bottom of the PC, you have rubber grips to help hold your PC in place. On the front, you have your reset button, a headphone jack, 2 USB ports, and your power button. On the side, you have 2 more USB ports and heat dissipation holes. On the back, you have 2 HDMI ports, a LAN port, and your power port. And then on the other side, you have more vents to cool your PC. To get started, plug in your LAN cable, power cable, and HDMI cable. Then you can mount it on the back of your TV. But I'm going to store it on the shelf here, so I have easier access. Then you can power on your computer, and it runs first time setup. Personalize your settings, and then your computer finishes setting up and restarts. Now you can log in and view your new computer. This mini PC runs on Windows 11. It has 8 GB of DDR4 RAM and an Intel 11th Gen N5095 processor at 2.9 GHz. It has a 256 GB solid-state drive and can pump out 4K display, making it a great media streaming device. And I can load up all my favorite shows and watch them from the couch. Not only that, but I can get some work done, respond to emails, and other basic tasks. It's not the most powerful PC in the world, but for playing media, responding to emails, and writing scripts, it works great. Before this, I haven't turned on this TV in quite some time. I'd have to hook up my laptop to watch anything, and it was inconvenient and took up a lot of space. But with this micro PC, I don't even notice it until I need it, and then I'm so happy to have it. Not to mention, it's pretty cool that you can mount this on the back of a monitor and have a full PC right in your monitor. So if you're looking for a nice little PC that you can use to get some work done, or watch some media as well, this micro PC might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go kick back on the couch and get some work done. See ya!